Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Pharma SL. This is Devi Sarojini. In this video, I will discuss about what is EU ANNEX 11, what is the history of EU ANNEX 11, what are the key requirements of EU GMP ANNEX 11, what are the general requirement, what is project phase, what is operational phase. I will discuss it one by one. What is EU ANNEX 11? 21 CFR Part 11's European counterpart is known as EU ANNEX 11. 21 CFR Part 11's European counterpart is known as EU ANNEX 11. The foundations of this regulation were laid and improved to go beyond electronic documents and cover the procedures used to create computerized medical devices. The EU ANNEX 11 compliance requirement instructs that the product maintain the desired quality during the electronic process. Computerized systems used in production, testing and quality also. Computerized systems used to manage documentation and data. History of EU ANNEX 11. Origin and purpose of EU ANNEX 11. EU ANNEX 11 was created in 1997 to ensure that EU countries followed good manufacturing practice for computerized procedures and manufacturing. However, with the advancement of technology, the rule was updated numerous times to remain compliant with the EU government's change in the GMP. The latest version was released and had a goal of improving accuracy and efficiency across the entire life cycle. Scope and applicability of the regulation. The scope of EU ANNEX 11 encompasses general guidelines, risk assessment, data management, security and computerized activities. This rule is an expanded version of the FDA's rule with additional properties. This rule is an expanded version of the FDA's rule with the additional properties as well as the validity and reliability of online signatures. The EU GMP ANNEX 11 is a guideline the European Union issued regarding using computerized systems in good manufacturing practices for human and veterinary medicinal products. The guideline outlines requirements for implementing and validating computerized systems to ensure data integrity, accuracy and security in GMP related activities. It applies to all companies operating within the European Union in the manufacture of the medical products with GMP regulated activities, including pharmaceutical, contract manufacturing organizations and others. The purpose of EU ANNEX 11 is to provide guidance for interpreting the principle and guidelines of computerized systems. It helps medical product manufacturers assess and implement necessary controls to minimize risks and identify vulnerabilities. What are the key requirements of EU GMP ANNEX 11? Compliance with EU GMP ANNEX 11 is essential for companies who want to ensure that their computerized systems are used in a way that meets regulatory requirements in GMP regulated activities. The different parts of EU provide a structured approach and specific guidance for different stages of computerized system implementation and operation. EU ANNEX 11 is divided into three main parts which are further defined below. General requirements. It provides general guidance on using computerized systems in GMP regulated activities. It covers risk management, personnel, suppliers and service providers. Project phase. It focuses on the activities and considerations during implementing and validating computerized systems. It covers topics such as system validation, user requirement specification and performance assessment among others. Next one, operational phase. It addresses the ongoing use and maintenance of computerized systems in GMP regulated processes. It includes requirements related to data storage, printouts, audit trials, change management, security, electronic signatures and more. General requirements of EU ANNEX 11 are like this: risk management, personnel, suppliers and service providers. Risk management means the risks associated with computerized systems should be assessed and companies should implement controls to mitigate those risks. Personnel. All personnel who use computerized systems must have the appropriate training and qualifications to perform their tasks. Next one, suppliers and service providers. Formal agreement should be in place with third party suppliers and service providers that clearly define their responsibilities. This is all about what is EU ANNEX 11, what are the history of EU Annex 11? What are the general requirements of EU Annex 11? In next video, I will discuss about project phase and operational phase clearly. If you are watching my channel for the first time, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you have any query related to pharma, please comment me. I will give you a video on that. Thank you.